How's it going, YouTube? You guys are back with Next Tech Edit, and today I figured I'd make a quick video, and basically this is going to be just referring to Apple's battery issue. So recently Apple, if I'm not mistaken, said that they have pretty much run out of stock on a certain iPhone battery, and that's the iPhone 6 Plus. And a lot of people, including myself, are kind of calling BS on it. Now I do realize that there are a bunch of people getting their phones replaced, you know, the iPhone 6 being a big one. So the main thing is recently in the last couple of days, Apple had two fires, both of which happened overseas. They both involved exploding batteries. No one was really injured. However, one of them was, where was the one? One of them was in Spain and the other one was in Switzerland, I believe. And then actually, I stand corrected, the one in Switzerland, there was up to 7 people, I believe, that needed medical attention. So that was just something interesting I learned. And with them doing more battery replacements here in the wake of the whole slowing down the phone thing, pretty much they're gonna have more issues because they're doing more inventory. That's either faulty batteries in order to get inventory in, lack of knowledge on repair. So the fact that they're saying they're out of stock on batteries is probably just a little far-fetched. They're probably going to be doing some retraining on how to install the batteries, which would probably wouldn't be a bad idea anyways, considering some of them may not have been trained in months, years, whatever it may be. I don't know their training program. But anyways, I just wanted to address this issue. There were two fires, and they are claiming that they are out of iPhone 6 Plus batteries. I didn't see if it applied to any of the other ones as far as being out of stock. However, I don't see why, I mean, they wouldn't be with tons of phones being sold and a lot of people wanting to get their repairs. I think it's silly that people are getting their repairs. You're paying Apple again, so thousands of people. Now, I love Apple and I'm always going to use Apple. However, I don't agree with paying the $30 for the battery replacement when it is their fault. But it's a business. They're going to do what they want to do to make money, and so be it. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this quick little update. Just a little video to fill in some time here. I'm trying to figure out something to do here in the future. There hasn't been anything too amazing, but as soon as I figure something out, I'll get you guys some videos. Thanks for watching.